Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify on your Shopify cart page, as you can see right here. Now to do this, all you'll need to do is go into Shopify. Once in the admin page, you are going to select Online Store from the left-hand menu option. After selecting Online Store, you will be redirected to the Themes page, and from here you are going to scroll down, and right beside Customize you are going to tap on the three dots. Then you are going to select Edit Languages. After selecting Edit Languages, in the filter box right here, you are going to tap on that, and from here you are going to type in taxes. So you want to type in taxes, and as you can see right here, then you are going to pay attention to the second one right here, taxes and shipping at checkout, and you can simply remove this. And after removing it, you can tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Now you can simply go onto your shopping cart right here and refresh the page, and you will realize that it is no longer there. As you can see right here, it is no longer there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.